Here's how to quickly activate your eSIM on your iPhone. You likely clicked this video from the activation guide or directly from your QR code screen. It looks like this. If you ever need to come back here, for example, to reinstall your eSIM on the same device, just go to View Details and select eSIM QR and Info. Now let's activate this eSIM on your iPhone. First, make sure you have internet on your phone. Wi-Fi or your wireless internet is fine. Open Settings. Tap Cellular. On some iPhones, this could be mobile service. Tap Setup Cellular. Tap Use QR Code. Scan the code from your Bcengi activation screen. Tap Continue. Activation will take a minute. Tap Done. Now make sure to enable data roaming for your new eSIM. You are ready to use your eSIM.